Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna talk about temporary tables in SQL Server. What are the advantages and disadvantages of temporary table using in SQL Server? We are going to see in today's video. Let's go to the demo. There we can understand all the different options. So for time being, I have prepared some script. Okay, let's understand one by one. So today I am using this script for demo purpose. I am using this table, temporary table. In that, employee ID, national ID number, contact ID, manager ID, title, birth date, marital status. These are the columns for this table. Okay, first execute it. So table has been created successfully. Now try to run this select statement. Now I am fetching around 6 columns for this table. I am trying to insert this data into this temporary table. Now around 290 rows are inserted. Okay, let me try to write a select statement. Select star from temporary table. So before executing this statement, try to enable the actual execution plan so that we can see the actual execution plan, what are the operators we are getting. Just click on execute. Now you can see around 290 rows are there, and if you go to the execution plan tab, now you can see there is a cluster index scan and also select. Why cluster index scan? Because while creating the table itself, I am specifying the primary key. So that is the reason we are able to get clustered index scan. Even if you mouse over here, we can see what is the object and output list. Output list nothing but already I told you the number of columns you are getting as output. So that is called the output list. Okay. Now go to the select statement. Now I'm fetching all the records without specifying any predicate. Okay, zoom it little bit. Now you can see, right? Now you place the mouse over here, you can see operator cost and CPU cost, what is the subtree cost and also estimated number of rows for executions and a number of executions, estimate number of executions. Moreover, you can place the mouse over here, you can clearly observe what is the actual number of rows and estimated number of. So and also go to the select operator. Now you can see the subtree cost is 0.005 and degree of parallelism 1. So degree of parallelism 1 means it's a sequential plan, it's not a parallel plan. Okay, now we will try to run different query. So we are specifying some predicate where employee ID is equal to 50. Now we'll see what will get in the execution plan. So we got one row as a result. Okay, now try to go to the execution plan. Now we can see we got one row as a result. Same thing we got it on. Okay, if you place the mouse over here in the arrow bar, you can get actual number of rows is 1 and as well as estimate number of rows is 1. And also you can see there is a seek predicate because in the where class I have specified employee ID is equal to 50. So that is the reason we are getting the seek predicate. Okay, now we will try to run a different predicate. In this case, I am mentioning employee ID greater than 50. I want to fetch the records whether the employee ID is equal to 50. Now we will try to run. Now we are getting 240 records out of 290. Okay, we'll see what is the execution plan we are getting. If you notice here, the actual number of rows are 240 and estimated number of rows are 240. It means that it's giving the correct estimations only. It gives the correct cardinal estimation only. And also you can see the seek predicate. Okay, same thing, no difference at all. The degree of parallelism and estimated subtree cost also both are same. Now this time I am changing the predicate. First time I am using the equal operator, but when it comes to second time, greater than excuse me, and third time I am using the between operator. So I want to fetch employee ID between 10 and 56. I want to fetch these records. Let's see what we are going to get. So we got around 47 records as a result set. Now we'll try to verify the same thing in the execution plan. So actual number of rows for all executions 47 and estimated number of rows also 47. Even if you right click, go to the properties, you can see the same thing in the property section also. I'll explain a little bit. So now you can see, right, actual number of rows are 47 and estimated number of rows 47. Even if I go to the properties also, you can see all the options. What is the table cardinality, and whether this is a parallelism or not, and what is the CPU card, actual number of rows for all executions. So you'll see all the options. Okay, so for temporary tables, the it's giving the cardinality estimation as we expected. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.